How to unhide sheet. Okay, let us first insert a new sheet by using the Shift F11. A new sheet is inserted. Now how to hide it? The shortcut key is Alt H O U S. Unhide Alt H O U H. Whichever sheet we want to hide, we first go to that particular sheet and then we press Alt H O. U is for hide and unhide, you can see, and we want to hide the sheet, and S is the next alphabet to hide the sheet. So S. What if we want to unhide it? We again use the same kind of command, Alt H O U, and unhide sheet. H is the next alphabet for it, so I press H, and Excel gives me a list of the tab sheets which are hidden. Right now in this workbook only one tab sheet is hidden, which is the sheet 12. I hit enter, so the tab sheet which was hidden is now unhidden. Now scrolling through the tab sheet, there are many options. One is via your mouse button. You click on the mouse button which you want to scroll in, or you can use a shortcut key which is the control page up. Control page up takes you a sheet backward, and if you press control page down, it takes you to a tab sheet forward. I press again control page up, I press control page down, likewise. Renaming a tab sheet. Whichever tab sheet you want to rename it, you need to click on it with the right click. Suppose if I want to rename sheet 12, I right click on it and I choose the option rename, and I rename it as sales. Enter. This can also be done with the shortcut key which is the Alt H O R. Suppose I go to the tab sheet which I want to rename and I press Alt H O, and you can see that R is for the renaming the sheet. I press R and I rename it as purchase, and I hit enter. So these are the two ways which you can use to rename the tab sheet. Now how to move or copy tab sheet. What is the difference? Let us first learn the difference between moving and copying a tab sheet. If you move a particular tab sheet, then it won't exist in the existing workbook. If you copy a tab sheet, then it will exist in this existing workbook and to a new workbook or to any Excel file. It would exist there also, and it would exist here also. Let us use, I want to move right now the purchase tab sheet to a new workbook. So I right click on it, I choose the option move or copy. Excel brings me a dialog, move selected sheets to book. This is the book right now, sales group. No, I want to move it to a new book. I choose the option new book, and I don't click on this create a copy because I permanently want to move this tab sheet from this file to a new book. I press OK. You can see that a new book, book 6, is created, and the purchase tab sheet has moved from sales group file to book 6. I use Alt tab button to switch over to the windows. So it's no more here. Now what if I want to copy a tab sheet? First let us create another tab sheet by using Shift F11. A new tab sheet is created. Let's rename it Alt H O R, and I rename it as purchase or maybe sales. Alright, so I want to copy it, so I'll be using the shortcut key for this now, and I'll be going to the first we go to the tab sheet which we want to copy or move. I want to copy sales tab sheet. I go over there, I press Alt H O M is for the move or copy tab sheet. Okay, I want to copy it to the book 6 and I want to move it to the end. I click on this create a copy. So what will happen that the sales tab sheet will remain in my this sales group file and it will also exist in the book 6 file. I hit enter. You can see that in the book 6 file a new tab sheet sales has come, and in the previous tab in the previous workbook sales group it also exists. So that was for the move or copy function. Sheet coloring, yes, you can color these tab sheets as per your choice. You can do it with the click of the mouse or by the shortcut. Let us explore both of them. So the tab sheet, suppose if I want to color the sales tab sheet, I right click on the sales and I choose the tab color, and whichever color I want to choose I can choose it. Let's choose orange and the tab sheet is colored to the orange. This can also be performed by shortcut key, which is the Alt H O T. We first go to the tab sheet which we want to color and I press Alt H O. You can see tab color option is there and T is the shortcut. I press T. So I want to color it now to the blue. So you can see that the tab sheet has been colored.